In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Mailchimp, a popular platform for email marketing that makes your communication efforts efficient and engaging. Let's jump right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account if you don't have an account yet. Setting one up is straightforward and provides access to all the handy tools Mailchimp has to offer. Once you're logged in, it's essential to define your audience, which is crucial for effective email marketing. Knowing who you're communicating with allows you to tailor your message perfectly. In the Mailchimp dashboard, you'll begin by creating an audience. Navigate to the Audience tab and click on Add Contacts. This step is where you establish your recipient base. You have the option to import contacts from another platform, upload a CSV or text file, or even directly paste contacts from a spreadsheet you've been maintaining. Now that you have your audience set up, it's time to create a new campaign. Head over to the Campaigns section, select All Campaigns, and then click Create. Here you will see various campaign options. For this tutorial, choose Email to jumpstart creating your email campaign. This will guide you through setting up the core elements of your campaign. The fun part comes next, designing the email. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to choose from. Whether you opt for a basic layout or a more intricate pre-designed template, there's something to cater to every theme and purpose. Once you've selected the template, it's time to roll up your sleeves and customize. Using Mailchimp's intuitive drag and drop editor, you can add text, images, buttons, and even social media links. Adjust the colors, fonts, and other design elements to reflect your brand identity. Personalization is key, so consider using merge tags like the recipient's first name to give your email a personal touch. Before hitting send, make sure to preview your email design. Utilize Mailchimp's preview and test features to ensure everything looks sharp, both on desktop and mobile devices. This step helps you catch any formatting issues before your audience sees them. Next, craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention, alongside setting your from name and reply to address. A recognizable name prevents your email from looking like spam and ensures that replies land in the appropriate inbox, especially if you're sending the campaign on behalf of a team or customer support. Finally, decide whether you want to send the email immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling lets you choose a specific date and time for Mailchimp to automatically send your emails, providing you with flexibility and control over your communications. And there you have it. You're all set to start sending professional and engaging emails with Mailchimp. Whether you're reaching out to a few or a few thousand, Mailchimp helps you stay organized and reach your audience more effectively.